Second ranked match of the night. Oh, I told this guy before. Yes! We're doing it on Omega. I'm back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to see the tech list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the frames. Round 1. Dude! Where's your voice chat? Yeah, what do I do here now? Anyway. Overlay for move beta. Move beta's effect. That's gonna dump gamma. Normal summon Diviner of Herald. Activate effect. Pumping Arclight. Arclight. Ultimateness. Oh, I got. Oh. Interesting. Medion is DRYTRON. For ultimateness, detaching from Mubeta and defense. Come, this guy doesn't have a rarity. What? I didn't put a rarity? Oh, there it is. There's a rarity. Now what do I do? Decrease attack by 1000, add from grave, and activate. There goes DRYTRON, Benton, detaching Zeta from Mubeta, special summon Yugioh, ritual summon, then we'll go for Beatrice. Beatrice effect. Detach Diviner. Dump Eva effect. Banish. Add and add. Gamma. Tribute. Special. Effect. Specials from grave. Alpha. Link Shogun. Birthday effect. Copy. Red Eyes Fusion. Yugioh Shogun. Red Eyes Dark Dragoon. Birthday. Try to make this guy no dark, but then I'll negate it with Dragoon. negate, destroy, gain, and that's it. That's my board right there. It's a fancy deck. Okay. No. Dumping the Eva. Eva, it's gonna be Ben 10, right? No, it's. Oh, I could do 2 more. Negate for days. Let's do wins. I don't even know what he's playing. I don't want to change these for like Lightning Storm or something. I already have all these, so I don't know. I don't even know what he's playing. That's it. Oh, it's Dark Magician with Dragoon. He did toss the Dragoon though. The Red Eyes Fusion. He probably has multiple. Probably has a playset. That I do not have an out for. I do not have an out for Mystic Mine. I don't. There is no way I could win this. There's no way I could win. I don't have any back row removal. My monsters do not. I'm done. It's over. Oh wait. Oh, never mind. Because he ended his turn on Mystic Mine. I was about to surrender. I did the same. Well, yeah, I did the same with Mystic Mine. That's okay. You should have probably used Land of Demise. It's good for Mystic Mine. Alpha Zeta. This is full combo right here. Full combo unless he somehow interrupts me somewhere. Oh. That magician. That's okay. And then Circle's gonna banish the Alpha. Shite! Target and banish. Okay. Does it affect? Add the ritual. Benton. Wait a minute. It's still. Oh fuck. Go for Natasha, I don't know. That's my first choice. Let's go in for Natasha. Natasha, I could do the Zeta from hand. Special. Kishki Shogun. Oh, oh. There it is. Demise of the land. Son of a. Son of a. I can't even activate that. Can't even go for that. I can't. Oh, I can't do it. Oh yeah, I can still pop that actually, yeah. We have the same, right. I could pop the Mystic Mine. Because we have the same number. Sweet. Go like this, we'll banish a bent or a Cyber Angel target. Special summon. I'm gonna time out, maybe. Okay, no. What the fuck? Can I target it? Oh, bruh. Okay, now it's time. Oh, I would have to do this guy because he doesn't have the arrow for it. Shit. Banish? I guess so. You can banish both. I got one. No. One. Dragoon pop. So I can't fucking die or something? What the fuck? What does it say? Only once or something? Unaffected by card effects. Oh. Eternal Soul. Can be destroyed though, right? Oh, okay. Oh, Eternal Soul is gonna get negated. Let's do it! Come on, give me 12 already. Jeez, where were we? I think we were at 1189, 1199. Went up by 10. Come on. 126? 126 still. Comment, share, like, and sub if you liked it. See you guys.